Hi and welcome back. My name is Emily, and if you're new to my channel, a special welcome to you. It's release day for Trinity Stamps, and the release is called Sweet Shop. And down below in the description box you will find a link to the next person in this video hop. With that said, let's get into this video. I'm so excited. I love this cute stamp set from Crystal Black. It's called I Got You Babe, and I colored it in off camera just so you can see how it looks. And it's I believe it's 15 stamps in this set, and you can buy the dies separately. And here you can see I just cut it out with the coordinating dies just to make things a little bit easier. I just love coordinating dies. It's just perfect. It makes my starting point for a project a lot easier when I know I don't have to fussy cut all these cute and tiny images out. So I wanted to create something a little bit smaller, and in this release there is also a new size for envelopes and stuff like that. Haha, fun, I know. So I will leave links down below for that one as well. But I just wanted to play around with that card size because it was a while since I did it, and I know I love it, but I just figured that I needed to play a little bit. So I decided to cut down some pattern paper that I had in my stash and just create a smaller front here, and it was really fun. It fitted these images really nicely, and you can see I created a washing line there, and then I put up a couple of clothes that are hanging to dry, and I stamped and heat embossed, you will see it later on in this video, a coordinating sentiment for this as well. But when I went to assemble my two products, I actually messed up which sentiment I was intended to use on which card. And you will see it looks a little bit funny, but I think it works. And if I wanted to, I could actually go back and switch the sentiments out. But in this video, I didn't. So I fiddled around. I couldn't splatter my stamp set, my pattern here, but my card panel here, because I had already assembled it too much. So I went in with a stamp that I have in my stash just to create some more splatters. And here I'm cutting away this beautiful die called Bottle Gift Tag die set, and this is a part of the last release from Trinity Stamps, but I haven't had the chance to use it yet, so I know this was on my wanted list to use. So I cut it out of some white metallic cardstock, I think the camera picked it up pretty well. And I went in with some Trinity Teal blue from Ink on Tree. And then I just used my Trinity brushes here. You can see I went in a little bit too heavy, but it's okay. I will cover it up later on, so no worries. But if you would do this, it's pretty smooth, this cardstock, but please make sure you have a light touch when you're creating a smooth blend like this, because I obviously didn't, but you can always cover it up with stuff, so no harm, no foul. So here is my die the sentiment that I will be using. It's from the new Simply Sentimental Love that is also a part of this release, and I cut the love out of some different colors of pattern paper. You can see it scattered around my desk here. So I'm a messy crafter. You can see it probably from my desk just looking at my screen here. It's stuff everywhere, and let me tell you, around this little frame that I am filming on, it's a hot mess. So I'm glad that the camera isn't picking up more than it is. So I have my images here, but I wanted to create some more interest. So I cut the hearts. These are a part of another die set, the one I was talking about previously, that contains the envelope. I cut it out of some white glitter cardstock, just to have that little shadow peeking out. And you will see I actually did the same for the goats here. So I have a glitter shadow for my goats. I had never done this before, and since I cut it out for my hearts, I thought I wanted some more interest for my goats as well, because they are just standing here at the point. So I really love how that turned out. I think it will be really beautiful for like a cluster of flowers and stuff like that as well. Just have that little glitter. So to tie in my sentiment, I wanted some hearts at the top here, just to bring some more color to this project. And then I had here my love, and of course I raised everything up with a lot of dimension because I love it. And then I put this down, and you can see how cute they are just standing here on top of the love. And you can see the hole on top there. That is meant to put on top of your bottle, of course, but I couldn't get a good image when I was trying to photograph that, so I'm sorry, I will not have a photo when I'm putting it on a bottle, but you can imagine how cute it is. So here is the part where I pretty much messed up the sentiments, which one was going to go on which one, but I think it turned out okay in the end anyway. So you can think that the heart is like bleached, that the like colors on my background is bleached or something like that, I don't know. But you can probably get an idea. So I wanted to mention once more that this video is a part of a video hop, so please make sure that you, after you have watched this video, that you're leaving comments and liking this video and subscribing to my channel if you haven't done so yet, because I'm coming out with a lot of content every week and every month. And yeah, the next person in line for this video hop is linked, the first link down below. So until next time, I hope you have a really great day, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!